Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Cancer, June 21 to July 22. Today is Wednesday, June 26, 2024. It's all about being true and honest to yourself, but having that fact of reality check, not wishy-washy. You will be affected by your mind, whether it is true or not. Is it just fantasy? You must analyze which one is, so as to avoid any conflict or human error. So, sa araw na ito ng Miyerkules, sa 26 ng Hunyo 2024, panahon pa rin ng Cancer, June 21 to July 22, may kinalaman sa alin ba ang makatotohanan. Mga bagay-bagay na iniisip mo lang na sana ay maganap, pero hindi iyon ang tinatakda ng panahon. Kaya obserbahan mong maigi. Kailangan mong maging very objective. Ang mga tao, maraming sinasabi, maraming kinukwento. Hindi mo na alam ngayon kung sino sa kanila nagsasabi ng totoo. Imbestigahan mo kung alin ang tama at bago ka umaksyon.